all the world markets are in a tailspin. The Indian market has already corrected and will probably fall in line with the world markets. There is nowhere to hide. See, this is actually a very interesting time. It's like a reset time. For so many years, all the governments, especially our government, has been charging us so high custom duties and taxes for purchase of imported goods. This is the time where the whole world will realize that, we should probably not be charging each other so much. So in a way, if you look at the positive side, we might have a world with reduced tariffs or much, much lesser tariffs than where they are today, because it is mutually assured destruction. It is mutually assured destruction because in this kind of a situation, there is no one winner. In fact, everybody is a loser. And the biggest loser of everything is the Indian consumer, the American consumer, the European consumer. All of us consumers are going to be at the worst end of this, because it is ultimately we who will be bearing the brunt of paying higher costs, higher prices. And of course, this is going to create a huge dent in our day-to-day activities, our budget, our financial planning, so on and so forth. So tariffs, which have been the toolkit for all countries to earn because of trade happening in their country, their imports, it's actually a good idea to have a global relook on these rates and perhaps have a global reset on all of these. Historically, we have seen this, that every time when markets have a huge correction and there is a sort of crisis around the whole world, that's probably the best time to make an investment. So if you are somebody who has some lump sum money at this time, superb time to invest. If you are doing an SIP, superb time to, add a little more to your SIPs or double your SIPs. I think it is a brilliant time. And, very often in years, we don't get a situation like this. It's a once in a couple of years kind of a situation. If you are fully invested, then, you don't have much of a choice. Don't worry about it. Even if the investment went down, in some time it will come back up, because this is also a rule that the faster it goes down, the faster it comes back up. So the reaction time is equal and opposite. So in that sense, I think the world would normalize in some time, but there will be turbulence for about another 3 to 6 months. But don't worry about it. Your investment will come back and you will be back to making profits. India is already doing extremely well, and I think it will continue to do so. We will have some knee-jerk reactions in the meanwhile, but all in all, hold your positions, don't panic, and don't take wrong decisions at this time. Don't take hasty decisions, right?